Hi, my name is Brian Hazeltine. I am a consultant with Christian School Management, primarily responsible for areas of strategic planning, management structure analysis, and survey data collection and analysis. I've been working with CSM since 2019 and love the relationship that we have as colleagues and as an organization to further the kingdom of God through Christian school education. My background is quite diverse, having been in public schools and secular schools and private schools, day schools and boarding schools, Christian schools, Bible colleges, community colleges, secular universities, online universities, Christian colleges, you name it, virtually every educational institution known to man. But Christian school management has furthered my understanding of education in ways that I couldn't have imagined 10 years ago. So it's been a wonderful collaboration. CSM has had a number of excellent surveys available for schools that they've been using for several years, but they've run into a couple of problems. One is that it generates a static report, and while there's tremendous detail, powerful analysis that's there, it is static, so it doesn't give schools the opportunity to manipulate the data, look at it from different perspectives other than what's in the report. But more importantly, distribution has been an issue. For whatever reason, getting it into the people and getting the data reliable and available has been a struggle. So they approached me and asked if they could get me to work on a different solution to the problem. Now, over the course of the years, I've created numerous surveys as a K-12 administrator. I have courses at the bachelor's level, the master's level, and two courses at the doctoral level in measurement, quantitative and qualitative analysis, those kinds of things. So I have a pretty strong background in this area. And I found that surveys are hugely useful in understanding how my parents are thinking, my teachers are thinking, my students are thinking. And in fact, surveying students is the most powerful and reliable method we have of assessing teacher performance. It's the best predictor of teacher effectiveness that we have. And it gets at information that we wouldn't get at simply by an observation. And this is supported by the research. I'd been doing it for years. I wasn't sure if it was just my opinion or not, but the research does in fact support that. So what I wanted to do was to combine the power that you get from SurveyMonkey and the depth of analysis and the flexibility to combine information and drill down and filter out groups that a static report couldn't do. But SurveyMonkey doesn't collapse and integrate all of the various surveys that I would like to do as an administrator into one, so I get a snapshot of everything in one place. And it won't compare how my school is doing compared to all the other schools. So these were objectives that we had. Ultimately, after several hundred hours of work with SurveyMonkey and an Excel spreadsheet, which I had beautifully designed, I could not get them to play well together and provide administrators the kind of information that I think they need and should have. And so I opted to move to software, software application. And it just so happens that we live in a day and age where coding is now available to the average person who knows nothing about coding. Using AI agents, I began with Replit, have moved to Cursor since, but these are AI bots that will do the coding for you. And so anybody can make a software application. Now, to provide something of the level of sophistication of the Christian School Management data system would require the kind of education background and training that I have, because AI bots are stupid, they are narcissistic and sycophantic, and so you really have to push them to get the information and put it in a design that's based on research and is workable for administrators. So the data system has been created by a Christian school administrator for Christian school administrators. And so it's why we've created it is to put into the hands of administrators and boards as well the best information available based on sound research from a Christian worldview perspective. And so you'll see the integration of biblical principles throughout the data system in an integrated fashion where everything can be combined together and analyzed together and where schools can get comparative norms on some of the key measures that we have in the data system. And so I think we've done that in a way that's unparalleled in terms of the breadth of information you will get. There are over 30 instruments included in the data system. 15 of those have to do with teacher practice. Very powerful tools that we will stack up against the leading commercial products. There are about three out there, and they're problematic for a variety of reasons. They tend to be focused on evaluation rather than assessment, and judgment rather than observation. And what we want to do is give administrators tools that will give them the best information possible using the best tools possible so that they can then make the professional evaluative judgments after having observed and gathered the data. So it's very different from saying that a teacher is proficient, for example, in a certain area rather than I observe this evidence. And so it's formative in its approach. It is deeply Christ-centered and child-focused, and it is unparalleled in terms of its breadth and the depth of analysis and the value to Christian schools. So we hope you find it as exciting as we have.